Auto Fix. Today we got a problem with this Volkswagen Passat radio will not turn on. You can see pressing it, nothing comes on. So here I want to start to dismantle it. I've checked a bunch of fuses at the right, as much as this one here, and I'm gonna check this one also. Okay, this one here, I'm not sure it's supposed to be having this one here. Do you know how to remove this shit here? You don't know how to remove it? Okay, maybe when I'm... Okay, let me show you how to remove it before we go further. So, if you want to check that fuse there, because I don't have the wiring diagram for this guy here. So, since I don't have the wiring diagram or the fuse diagram, I'm pretty much going to be checking every fuse that is within inside this whole system here. So, if you want to remove this thing, it's very simple. You see this two tab here? You want to push this one up, then press these two tab, press it inside. As soon as you get past that thing here, then you get to remove it. Okay, hope that was quick. Okay, for this one here, you want to grab it from here, apply it from here, apply it from up here, then you should get this thing out here. It's been secured by that thing, should be less than a T something. So we want to go ahead and on my ignition.
I will charge my phone here now.
And press it on again. And it's still on. Okay, so far we've hit every part here and no luck. So we're gonna be losing out these so we can take a look at it and see exactly where the whole thing went wrong. So guys, you see I've put on the ignition on and still press it and nothing worked. So now I want you to go ahead and take out the 4 screws that are holding it in place. After taking it in place, then you should gently drag it out. Alright, okay, as soon as you drag it out, you want to set this wire here out so that it can be longer enough. At this very point here, it is very important to off the ignition. Sorry. So you go over here, there is a tab here. Okay, you remove that one there. Let me show you, there is a tab here. So you want to press it, then pull it. Now you have a second one here, this gigantic one. Help me hold this body. So you want to go ahead, there is a tab underneath here, so you want to grab it up, then you pull it, that should go on. Then you want to flip it, there is a 10 amp fuse that is here. Most often case it might blow, but if it doesn't blow, then there is a problem with this system here. So but in this very one here, if you look very well, you see that it's blown. So we're gonna go ahead and pull it out. My finger, okay, let me show you. You can see this is toasted. So guys, I have every confidence that as soon as we replace this fuse, everything will be back to normal. So let me get another one and replace it. Okay, before we insert a 10 amp fuse, we just want to rewire it with a very small gauge of wire, like you can see here, just a very light one. So we insert it and we turn it on. If it doesn't blow this up, then we can just believe that it's just a random error. But if it blows it up, then we gotta get the main one installed, the right fusing rating for it. And if that one doesn't blow up, then the system is fine. The reason why I don't want to increase it in the first place is if suppose there is any problem with the circuit and you got the right fuse into it, it might even withstand it, though it can't because I have actually measured it. So we're gonna get this one installed right here, just here. Then we're gonna plug everything back in place. Gotta test it and see what happens. Right there. Okay, so I want to go ahead and put the ignition on. Turn it, we on this power button.
Whatever you take the mark, you need to tear off road.
So I'll go ahead and test it. Nice it's working.
I did work talk before.
It does now. Okay, okay, another work from let's see. Okay guys, you can hear the sound.
It's working.
Okay, it's working. So I want to go ahead and put the antenna.
Why do you have to bring in somebody completely different?
Okay guys, it's working.
We do, you know, don't worry, let me know something.
So what we're gonna do right next is to get one of the fuse that we have here, 10 amps exactly, and replace it, and we'll be done with it. So let's go ahead and do it. Flip it backward.
You'll find the voltage.
12 volts. So we have
This is a 12 voltage.
okay, we have different kind of fuse here. The blue one is 15 amps, the red one is 10 amps. So always know that by the color. So we're gonna be going ahead to replace it with this one. So let's off it and off the ignition. Okay, go ahead and uninstall it again. Install the next one there. Okay. And put the clip back this time. We should be putting everything in place. Okay, flip the radio the other way around. Sorry. Okay. So go ahead and put the screws back. Screw it back. Screw this one back. Go ahead and fix this. Screw all these things up. Screw it. I didn't say you should screw it up. Screw it back in. Don't get lost with the translation. Don't do mistake with the translation. Go ahead. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this very tutorial on getting your radio back even without the wiring diagrams or the fuse diagrams. So it'll be needless for you to go and start humping any of these fuse here. Maybe just one error or the other, that's what makes that fuse to get one, because maybe it might be integrated with some other circuit. So now when we're done here, so we want to go ahead and put back this cover, this string back, press it, and we're done. So let's go ahead and try again.
I can get a wig and you know.
Okay guys, it's funny it's not displaying, but that's not actually my own problem, in as much as it's working. So okay guys, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Bye for now.
Where did you learn to count?